Hey guys, I got these press-on nails that are supposed to look like French tips. They come with your typical orange stick and little teeny tiny nail file. And then instead of coming with glue, they come with these little glue tabs slash sticker tabs. I will be honest, I like these better because they don't tear up my nail as bad. But to me, they're not quite as strong as glue. But if you're just looking for something that's not going to tear up your nails, I think this is the better choice. And I will show you what these look like after I get them on. So these are the nails after I've glued them on. And I think these curve maybe slightly, just slightly more than some of the other nails. So if you're looking for, if you feel like press-on nails are too flat, you might like these a little bit better. Trying to make sure it focuses good. I will say this particular style, I don't feel like you could trim it without messing up the design. So I probably would not get this style again because I like to trim my press-on nails to make them look like a more natural length to me. Here's the underside too, just so you can kind of tell how long they are. Not wiggling, stays on good. They were easy to put on straight. I feel like with the stickers, instead of the glue tab, it is easier to get them on straight and they don't damage your nails as much. Downside is they don't stick quite as well. Of course, if you have nail glue, you can definitely glue these on instead of using the sticker tabs, double-sided sticker tabs. It's just whatever you prefer. But I hope that helps you know if this is something you want to buy.
If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. Hey, my name's Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, we're on a quest to review literally everything.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.